Everyone, I am Rahul from failproofmarketer.com and friends, I had uploaded a video a few days back in which I had shown you shown you my new setup in which there was a tripod, a mic and a ring light. Many of you have reached out to me and asked me about uh, more details about all these products because many of you want to try create your own studio at a minimum cost and with the best products, right? So in this video I am going to review all those products. I am going to show you, and also I will give you the link to all those products, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's start the review. Okay, so friends, this is all the products. A tripod, I'm going to show it to you, and a ring light and a mic. Okay, so let's start with the tripod. I'm going to show you the tripod first. Let's unbox it. I've already opened it and I'm opening it again for you. This one is mic stand. Sorry, mobile stand. We can connect, put our phone on this holder. Okay, and I will show you it to you. I will show it to you completely. And this is the tripod. We can use it on a table also, and we can use it on our table where we used to study and create our notes. From there also we can operate it at a lower height. Also we can increase its height as well. So let's do that and check its height. Let's stand up, and you see, this is the complete height. Let me lock it. Don't worry, I will teach you, or I will guide you on how to do it properly in the next video, how to set up it properly in the next video. Okay, so this is the height. Also there is one more line by which the height will increase. So let me do that for you. This is the complete height of this tripod. Basically this tripod is for mobile users, if you are going to use it for mobiles. So I will recommend you this product, but if you are using a DSLR, I won't recommend you this product. Okay, because it's a lightweight product and mainly it is for smartphones. Okay, and we can mount our smartphone here. Let me lock it first. We can put our smartphone here. And yeah, it is of good height. You can see my height is 5.2 inches, but its height is almost 5.2 inches, but not exactly that. It is 4 feet 5 inches, 4 feet 5 inches, 7 inches less. But you don't need to worry about that height, because when we will configure the ring light on it, so the height of this mounting will increase automatically, and I will show you that as well. Okay, so let's do the another unboxing. Here comes the ring light. Let's sit down and keep it aside. These are two of the accessories in it. and this one is the ring light. I will show you the working and the functioning of the ring light in a darker room, so don't worry about that. And this is the ring light. We can mount it on the tripod, and as soon as we will mount it on the tripod, the height of the phone mount will automatically increase. Let's check it. It will configure like something like this. This one will be removed and it will be configured like this, and here we will be putting our phone. So the height, you can see the height will automatically increase when we will configure the ring light. Okay, I will show you that thing also, don't worry. But first let's do one more unboxing. Here is the switches for this ring light. You can see this one is the power on off button. This one is for, I will show you, don't worry, I will show you all the functionings, don't worry about it. Keep it aside, let's keep it aside. Now here comes the Boya mic, and it is of 1.5 meters. Model number is 20 CM20 Boya mic. But you don't have to purchase this one, you have to go for CM55, because the length of the wire of CM55 mic is 3 meters, so that would be good, and I will give you the link for that mic only. Okay, I won't recommend you this wire length, because you can use it, but if you have to record from a far distance, I won't recommend you this one. Okay, so let's check its length. The length is good enough. It is of 1.5 meters, and you can see there is a clip which is of metal clip. It's not a plastic clip, so it is the quality is quite good enough, and we can put it here like this and all. So I will review it also, don't worry about it. Let's do its reviewing. Currently I am talking with you from the mic of my smartphone, but let me put this into my smartphone, and I will talk with you and communicate with you with this mic. Okay, put it inside. Hello everyone, Rahul Kumar this side from failproofmarketer.com, and this voice you are listening from this mic, and you can check what is the difference between the two sound qualities when I was using the phone mic and when I am using this mic. Okay, so for this time I would be removing this mic, and I would show you something else. Okay, so I am putting it. So I have shown you everything, but let me do it by installing all the things, because you would be able to relate more. Okay, I have a smartphone in my hand, and let's just put it on the tripod and check how it looks. So let me do this setup. We can take it out, and this is step. Let me fix this in it. Done. And now let's put it. So now this has been set up. You can see it from top to down. What you can do now more is you can change the angles. see, you can change the angles first. What you can do more is you can change the direction from here like this, okay, and yeah, that's it. Also, one more thing what you can do is you can lift a weight over here so that it don't get closed, okay. You can put a weight over here, that would be good enough. You can you can lift any weight here, okay. So I have shown you this, but now what I am going to show you is I am going to remove this mount. I will put the ring light over here, and then I will mount this phone on the ring light, okay, and you will see that how it looks when we use the ring light. So let's do it. Let me open it from here. Let me remove it. Yeah, it's removed. Now what I can do is I have to remove it and put this over here. Now I'm just putting it over here. Yeah, it's set up. It's very easy to set up. Don't worry if you face any problem. I am right here to help you with it. Don't worry about that. And you just have to check the put it correctly. Otherwise, it won't fit. Okay. So now it is fit properly. Let's change the angle and the direction of it. So yeah, let me shift its angle. Yeah, let me shift its angle. It's okay. It's completely okay. Now what we have to do is we have to put this wire to an adapter and into the socket. Okay, I will show you that also, and I will show you all the colors that it has, all the color features that it has inside it. Before that, let's move things fastly because the video is going to be long. Don't worry, it is one-stop solution for you. Let me put it over here, and but before that, let me tighten it. So what I want to say to you is you don't it is not even mandatory to purchase the ring light, because I have already shown you how to use this tripod without ring light. But if you are interested and if you have the budget, you can go with the tripod as well for the indoor shootings, okay, video recordings. Let me put the mic phone over here. Let's do it like this. Yeah. So you can see. You can see now the height of the phone, height of the mounting has increased also. So this is the complete setup, and I have shown you everything, all the functions of the tripod, ring light. I am going to show you. I have shown you the mic also. Okay, so I am going downstairs in my room, and I will show you how it works and how it actually works, all the lighting features of it, and I will show you some recordings as well in my room. And let's turn it on, the ring light. And this one is the adapter I have taken. So let's put it down, put it into the adapter, and let's plug it into the light. And I have turned on the light, but it will not turn on because here is the switch on button. This one is the switch on button, you can see. And now there are few more. Please come here. Please come here. Bring the camera over here, and I want to show you. Please come here. Turn on the light, please. Come here. Show here. There are more options over here. Turn on button. This is power. For decreasing the power, you can see here, as I am clicking on it, the power of this light is decreasing, and this is the for increasing the light, power of the light, intensity of the light. You can see it is the maximum. And now this button is for changing the color of the ring light. So you can see, let me turn off the light over here in my room. Turn it off, please. And let me change the color of the ring light. Okay, this one is for photography. If you want to take photos, this is for photography. And this one is white light or cool light. So this one is for, there are total 3 options here. So this is the 1, 2 and 3, all 3 options. So what I am going to do over here is, please turn on the light. What I am going to do over here is, I have shown you everything. What I am going to do is, I will put my phone camera over here, by which this recording is being done, because I don't want to record with this phone. Also I will use my mic that I have shown to you, and I will do a complete recording with using this setup. Okay. So hello everyone, welcome again. And now this time I have I am using the complete setup, the ring light, the tripod and the mic as well. So you can see how you are going to get the results, how you are going to use it. You will have the complete setup, something like this. Okay, so this was the complete video for today, and in which I have explained you about all the basic setup tools for recording videos and shooting videos for beginners. Okay, now I am going to give you the link in the description. Also, let me tell you the price of all the products. You can note it down. Tripod for 670 rupees, ring light for 400 rupees, and the mic is for 300 rupees. So you can calculate all the price. It is something around 1370 rupees, almost 1400 rupees. You will get all this setup, okay, from Amazon. And I am also dropping the link of all these products in the description. So go there and use my link, purchase this product and start creating videos. That's all for today. All the best. Thank you.